Hey everyone, Shraddha here. So those who are trying to get in LinkedIn top voice, I will suggest you one thing. See, there will be times where if you are writing something, so you can include like your expertise. If I talk about this, okay, so you can see this. So this was the question. You can see it right here. And so yeah, you can see you are in the top 15 of quality contributors to resume writing. Okay, so I wrote something in this. You can see this. How can we start? Okay, so whatever comment or whatever perspective you are going to write, make sure that you are introducing yourself or you are sharing your say your expertise in any way. So let me show you my comment here, and from there you can get an idea. Okay, here you can see this. So question was, you can see, firstly you can see the question, what are the key benefits of using a resume writing service? Okay, as we can see, a lot of resume writer are there on LinkedIn. So it's asking like, what are the benefits of getting their service? So you can see, I'm also a resume writer. Okay, you can see this. I have written like being a professional resume writer. So you can also start your perspective with something like this. So if somebody is reading your, say if somebody is reading your perspective, they can get to know that like what is your area of expertise. Okay, maybe if I'm looking for any digital marketing expert and you have written like something like being a digital marketing expert, and I've found your perspective. So obviously, I will be trying to contact you, get in touch with you, because there is a need from my end to contact our digital marketer. Okay, so you can start your answer with such kind of like lines. Okay, so make sure to do this, and also it limits our say comment to 750 character. Make sure to utilize your answer like in the most best. In the most say precisely, very precisely, it should be short and very much informative. It should inside like within the 750 character, but it is delivering an important message. Or you can write it in such a way that there is no other better perspective than yours. So write in it in this manner. Okay, so you can read my perspective here. So yeah, just want to talk about this. You can also start focusing on something, some of these, like if you are good on resume writing, you can go for resume writing 6 to 7 article on a daily basis. If you want to explore other skills, you can click here. You can go to this all, you can click here all, and you can find all topics here. You can see all topics here, then you can choose the topic in which you are interested. Okay, you can go alphabetically also. Okay, machine and learning, NLP operations. So you can look for all Hadoop, then double OP like OOPS, Java, C++. So you can go for whatever topic you like. Okay, effective communication, then marketing, sales. Okay, you can go with anything that you want to. Make sure that you are covering relevant okay topics. It's not like you are in digital marketing, you are covering any medical subject or medical health and care. So that would be so irrelevant for you. Okay, so just strive for such kind of topic where if you are putting your efforts, it is going to it is going to bring some opportunities for you. Okay, so just take care of it this. Okay, so yeah, if you like this video, please subscribe for my channel, like, comment, share, and if you want me to comment any topic, just let me know. I will be covering that topic too. So stay tuned, take care, and bye bye.